Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an Instagram post. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture icon, usually located in the bottom right corner, to go to your personal profile. From there, simply scroll through your posts and select the one you want to remove. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Now that you've selected your post, look for the three dots icon, also known as an ellipsis, in the top right corner of the post itself. Tapping these three dots will open a menu with several choices. This menu provides you with different ways to manage your content, including the option to delete or archive your post. It's a crucial step to access these management tools. Once the options menu appears, you have two main choices: delete or archive. If you want to permanently remove the post from your profile, tap delete. You'll then be asked to confirm your decision, which is an important step to prevent accidental deletions. Alternatively, if you wish to simply hide the post from public view without deleting it, choose archive. This keeps your content accessible to you later. Congratulations! Your post has now been successfully deleted or archived. If you chose to delete it, the post is permanently removed and will no longer appear on your profile for anyone to see. If you opted to archive it, remember that you can always find it in your archive section and restore it to your profile whenever you wish. Keeping your profile updated helps maintain a fresh and engaging presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.